Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. In today's lesson we'll learn all about using the F string using Python. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So the first thing that we have here is we need to know what an F string is. Basically F strings are a new way to format strings. They are more readable, more concise, less prone to errors, and they are also very much faster. When we use our example in the past, we used to use str format, and this was a way that we could format strings in the past, but now things have changed. So in our example here, we are assigning a variable which is called food, and then we are asking for some input. So our input will be, what is your favorite food? And that's the question that we'll ask. So whatever we write into our program, that will be assigned to the variable food. So if we move to our next example, now we want to actually create a variable called singer, and then we want to use the F string to print that variable along with some other text as well. So now we need a few things to work. For the F string to work, you need to make sure that after you have the print command, you are starting it off with the letter F, and then whatever variable that you want to display, you need to make sure that you use the curly brackets right there. And so if we look at our output, it says, who is your favorite singer? And we can write anything in there. So I just wrote Bon Jovi, and then Bon Jovi is my favorite also. So moving on, now we get to our example. This is going to be about printing your name and your age. So the problem is we want to create a program that accepts the user's name and age and then prints them together. So your program should look something like this. Firstly, it says please enter your name, and then we have to import whatever data that goes in there. And then it says please enter your age. And then we will have one line of code that prints out both the name and age. So here we are in Python. Now to get this to work, the first thing that we need to do is we need to set up our variable called name. And then we need to accept our input. So what I'm going to write is, what is your name? So now I'm going to press on the question mark, and then I'm going to leave a space there, and then I'm going to close brackets. So we need to do the same thing for age. Age is equal to, and again we want to allow this to be an input. And this time I'm gonna use the question, what is your age? Question mark, space, and then we close the bracket just like that. So now we need to use the F string. So if we start off by pressing print, and then we need to press F, and then we will open up using our quotations, we are now going to write what we want to appear on the program. So hi, my name is, and then to use the F string and this variable, we need to make sure that we're using the curly brackets. So I'm just going to write name. So hi, my name is this variable, and I am, again, we need to use this variable. So I'm just going to write age in there, years old, and then I need to close that. And then I can test it by pressing on the run button. So what is your name? John. What is your age? 21. Hi, my name is John and I am 21 years old. And that's about it. So anyways, guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something about using the F string. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.